Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing multiplying the fraction with the whole number. In the previous video, we discussed how we can add and subtract fractions. In this episode, you will learn how to scale recipes and inventory with the ease and more quickly and accurately. Before starting the lecture, I want to clear that multiplying 3 by 1 by 4 means that adding 1 by 4 3 times. If you want to add 1 by 4 3 times, the answer will be 3 by 4. If you multiply this fraction with a 3, the answer will be same. Okay, let's discuss it with some rules. Okay, in this rule, you have to multiply only the numerator. The 3 times 1 by 4 means 3 multiplied with the numerator, which is 1. 3 by 4 is a fraction, which is a product. Okay. If I want to multiply 3 with the 2 by 4, the answer will be 6 by 5 as 3 times 2 is 6, 6 by 5, it is a mixed improper fraction. It can be converted them into the mixed fractions and the answer will be 1 whole 1 by 5. Let's move on to the next example, the daily life example. 3 by 4, cup of the floor will be used. If I want to multiply with the 3, it means that 3 times 3 is 9, which is the numerator is multiplying. The answer will be 9 by 4. It can be converted them into the mixed fraction. The answer will be 2 whole 1 by 4, which is the correct answer. Okay, let's take another example to clear this concept. If I want to multiply 6 with a 2 by 3, the answer will be 12 by 3, as 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, this fraction is an improper fraction. It can be converted them to mixed fractions, and it can be simplified. As it is better to simplify, the answer will be 4. Okay, let's take another example in which the employee works 7 by 8 hours overtime for the 5 years. If I want to multiply 5 with the 7 by 8, the answer will be 35 by 8, as a 5 times 7 is 35. It can be convert them into mixed fraction, as you can see. Let's discuss some mistakes and also some rules. Okay. In the first rule, you have to multiply only the numerator with the whole number. In the second rule, you never have to multiply the denominator. For example, multiplying 3 with the 1/4 will be equal to 3/4. Okay, let's discuss the next rule, in which you have to always simplify your fractions results into the lowest terms for easier understanding. Avoid leaving answer like 12/8 without reducing them, because it can also become difficult for others to understand. Okay, let's discuss some other rules. Okay, you have to multiply the numerator with the whole number following the multiplication rules. You don't have to confuse multiplication with the addition. For example, if 3 times 3/4 is 2 and the 1/4, it will not be equal to 3 whole, because most of the people consider that multiplication is a whole, like the number is whole. Okay, if you want to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions, it can also be multiplied. For example, 3 times 1 whole 2 by 3. First of all, it can be converted them to improper fraction. After converting them, it can be multiplied and simplified, or it can be converted into mixed fractions. Okay, let's discuss it with an example. Okay, if 8 is multiplied with the 2 whole 3 by 8, in the first row, as you can see that the improper fraction is multiplied with the whole number. 8 times 19 by 8 is equals to 152 by 8. It can be simplified into the 19. In the second row, you can see that the first you have to convert them in proper fraction, and then you have to multiply. Let's discuss some practice questions. In the first question, you have to multiply 5 with the 3 by 4 and 4 with the 7 by 8 and 6 by 2 whole and 1 by 3. First of all, you have to pause the video and answer. You can answer your questions in the comment below. Okay, let's summarize all this topic. In this video, you have to multiply the whole number by the numerator and keep the denominator unchanged. And then you have to convert the mixed numbers or fractions into improper fractions. That's for all. It was a very short video. I hope you like this. In the next video, we'll be multiplying the fractions with the fractions, as you can also see with some daily life examples. I hope you like this video. Keep liking my video and subscribe, and also comment your queries if you want to discuss it. Okay, thanks for watching.